The sentence and its parts, Part 2. Compound sentence parts. A compound subject is made up of two or more subjects that share the same verb. The subjects are joined by a conjunction that would include and, or but. Tornadoes and hurricanes are dangerous. In this sentence, who or what is the sentence about? Tornadoes and hurricanes. Therefore, tornadoes and hurricanes is the compound subject. These two subjects share the same verb. A compound predicate, or verb, is made up of two or more verbs that have the same subject. Again, they are joined by and, or but. For example, the swollen river rose and crested. In this sentence, what did the swollen river do? It rose and crested. Rose and crested is the compound predicate because the two verbs share a subject, the river. Compound subject and predicate exercises. Write the compound subject or predicate and identify it as the compound subject or predicate. For example, the swollen river rose and crested. Rose and crested equals the compound predicate. Subjects in unusual order. Sometimes a subject is not found at the beginning of a sentence. For example, a question. In a question, the subject usually comes after the verb or between the parts of the verb phrase. For example, are you walking to the Brooklyn Bridge? If you are confused in determining the subject, make the question a statement. You are walking to the Brooklyn Bridge. The subject would be you, and the predicate would be are walking. Commands. The subject of a command is usually you. For example, put on your comfortable shoes. You put on your comfortable shoes is another way of saying the same command, so you would be the subject. Even though you is not stated, it is implied. Inverted sentences. In these sentences, the subject comes after the verb. For example, across the East River extends the bridge. Again, it helps to flip the sentence around. The bridge extends across the East River. Bridge is the subject, extends is the predicate. Sentences that begin with here or there. In these sentences, the verb usually comes before the subject. There is the world-famous bridge. Again, changing the sentence around can make identifying the subject and predicate easier. The world-famous bridge is there. Bridge is our subject, is the verb, or the predicate. Try it out. Identify the simple subject and simple predicate of each sentence. Pause the